there! Welcome back to Planet Press. Today, we're going to talk about something everyone's interested in: making money online. But we're going to keep it simple with the 5 easiest methods that anyone can try. Let's get started. Number 1. Selling productized SEO services. Selling productized SEO services, or in other words, creating standardized versions of services sold as products, is a great way to make money with SEO. The advantage of this method over providing full-service SEO is that it is faster to deliver, which means you'll generally get paid more regularly. Productized SEO services can include, but are not limited to, SEO audits, keyword research, and link building. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably the easiest way for a beginner to make money with SEO. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale you make. To get started, you'll need to find an affiliate program that suits your niche and audience. Number 3. Selling digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software, and sell them online. You can use SEO techniques to drive traffic to your website and increase sales. Number 4. Freelance SEO content writing. If you have good writing skills and knowledge of SEO, you can offer freelance content writing services to businesses that want to improve their online presence. You can help them optimize their website for search engines, create content that ranks well on Google, and develop a strategy for building backlinks. Number 5. Create an e-commerce website and sell products. If you have deep knowledge of e-commerce SEO, you can use search engine optimization to sell physical products through an e-commerce website. Start by picking your niche and finalizing the product you'll be selling. You can do that by doing keyword and audience research to understand which keywords your potential customers are using to find this particular product. Before you decide, make sure you also perform an in-depth SEO competitor analysis. That's the only way to figure out how much it will take to rank in the first positions for your target keywords. So there you have it, the 5 simplest online money-making methods. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time.